How to share your YouTube link on Instagram story. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to go or do is go to YouTube application here in our mobile device. Once done, simply select a video and here you can actually see a share icon right there. Now here, as you can see, we don't have the option to go to Instagram story. So you just need to simply copy the link. And once you've successfully copied the link, go to your Instagram application. Now let's create a story this time. Once you've created a story, simply select an image, for instance, and then here above beside the text button, click on that portion. Now, all you need to do is to simply look for link. So here, paste your link and then click on done afterwards. And there you have it. Your YouTube link has been added on your Instagram story. That's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and hope you guys find this video helpful.